In this video, I will show you how to sign in or log in or create an account on Adobe Firefly app. So open your Adobe Firefly like this. And after that, it's open here. Go click on sign in. And they will tell you like the options that you want to sign in with. For me, I will choose Google. And I will choose one of my emails. Just click on this and click agree and share. And it's going to take me here to this page. So I will just click on sign in. As you can see, you will be signing in as this. If you don't, you can close this browser. Click sign in. And right now select your first. And then go click create account. And it's going to take you back to the application. And after wait a little bit, your account will be already signed, as you can see here. So I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.